on what is happening across the country. For air travelers, this is perhaps the worst time. Air travelers who are planning to go on a vacation, this is the holiday season, who are planning to go from one city to another, perhaps to attend weddings and things like that, because this is also the wedding season. It is the worst time for them to travel. We are saying this because of a major Indigo crisis that unfolded on 2nd of this month. This is the fourth day in a row and cancellations are continuing. It started with 140 odd cancellations of Indigo flights on 2nd of December, day 1. Day 2, more cancellations. Day 3, which was yesterday, mass cancellations happened. Then DGCA summoned Indigo officials. There was a meeting with Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu as well. Directions were issued from the ministry's side to the airline, and today is day 4. What we are witnessing is again mass cancellations because Indigo is trying very hard to resolve the situation. At Delhi airport, all Indigo flights in fact have been cancelled for the entire day. Now you must be wondering, why is all of this happening? Well, it's happening according to Indigo because of a multiple reasons, because of a number of reasons. But the most important reason, viewers, is the FDTL norms, flight duty time limitation norms, the new regime that kicked in from 1st of November. This is basically to reduce stress among pilots and crew members. This is basically to reduce fatigue and eventually to enhance passenger safety. Now, these rules have been, in the process for last 2 years. Eventually, 1st of November, the new regime kicked in. But what happened in the last 4 days tells us that the biggest airline in the country, which has over 65% of market share, was not even prepared for the implementation. As a result, it asked DGCA and the Aviation Ministry for some kind of concessions, for some kind of agreements. Indigo has been given time till 10th of February next year, but till then, what we are witnessing right now is perhaps going to continue. Partial relief, of course, came in today, with the DGCA withdrawing a very crucial circular which debarred airlines from clubbing pilots, off days with their leaves, 2 weekly offs with their leaves. This is being seen as a major rollback from the DGCA side to give interim support to Indigo so that it can deal with the current mess that the airline is into. Let me now straight away go across to my colleague Imran, who is joining us live from Bengaluru. Imran, how is the situation like in Bengaluru right now? Because till yesterday, it was a nightmare for passengers.
Well, I can show you just a pan and show you the chaos which is happening at the Bangalore airport right now. That you see the Indigo's center there, where the people who miss their flights have to physically register the PNR number to get refunded. And this has angered passengers even more. They're saying that their tickets have been already booked. The airlines will already have a PNR number. Why they have to physically register the PNR number there at the counter to get the refund is there. Not only does the delay of flights, you can see that there's no display of the flights even there. Some flights have said that on time, but a number of passengers are still outside. None of them are able to enter inside right now. Over this, the flights are there, but showing on time. But see, they can see the angry passengers. Let me go across to each one of them. Sir, what time were your flight?
My flight was like 17:15. Yeah. Okay, and there is no update on phone. I know it's hassles are happening, but at least they update on the internet, right? So people don't travel from like 2 hours from Bangalore city to Bangalore airport. That's my concern, basically. At least if they update online, their flight aware is not there, the Google is not updated, the Indigo site is not updated. That's a pain, right? And when I just be on the line and they told like further notice, when I was in the last line, the information was like 2 days, all the flights cancelled. When I went near to the line, they told like until further notice. When I was on that line, I was being told like, okay, 5 days there is no flights. Okay, and then they are just writing the PNR number on the paper. What if paper will get lost, right?
Where are you planning to travel, sir?
I'm planning to Pune, actually. 17:15 Pune flight 6C528, right?
No update right now.
No update. I'm just checking on plan B. No flights to Pune from Bangalore as of now, and I'm checking trains are full. At last I found out a bus. I'm just taking a bus right now to go back to my hometown.
So it's just not a single isolated story. So where were you planning to travel?
I'm traveling to Hyderabad. It's been quite some time. We have been waiting for early morning.
Early morning.
Yeah, early morning. There is no notification. That is a bad thing. And it's very panic situation. I don't understand why they can't let us know. If you see the crowd, it's been hundreds of people waiting here. There are a lot of international passengers who have been traveling, and they have been waiting here for quite some time, and their baggages are there who have taken the transit, right? I think this is not a right thing. I think depending upon the situation, the government should act on.
So there you see it, sir. Where were you also traveling to?
I'm traveling to Rajahmundry.
Rajahmundry. And there's any flight update of that?
It is showing in boarding pass. Your time has been changed up to 6:20.
Yeah.
Now I would like to inquire about there. No one is there. You know that very difficult to understand. So secondly, they are not communicate anything. Now when I go there, when I try to ask them, sir, it is there. You wait. So where to wait?
So there you see the chaos. So it's not just an individual one or two passengers. If I can pan and show you, these are the people who flight was there supposed to go to Pune. There's a Hyderabad. There's Rajahmundry. They were supposed to go at 5 o'clock flight, but there's no update as of right now. The information is also not coming. Their anger is that if the flight has been cancelled, they should have been updated over the phone. They did not have to travel all the way 50 to 60 kilometers from the city to the airport, then get to know that they do not have the flight have been cancelled. And even for refund, they have to stand in the line here to register the PNR number to get the refund. That also has added to the problem. Is saying, why do they have to stand in line queue and register the PNR number to get the refund? So these are the situation there at the Bangalore airport.
Well, these are some very important issues that the passengers are raising, Imran, that you brought for us from Bengaluru. And these are real issues, and these are the issues the airline will also now have to look at because we are talking about thousands of passengers across the country who are stranded today. Of course, statements are being issued by Indigo. We just saw another statement coming in wherein Indigo did mention that refunds will be processed automatically. Indigo in its statement has also mentioned that there's going to be a waiver for rescheduling of flights and cancellation of flights between 5th and 15th of December. But what about the people who are already at the airports? There should be proper communication to those passengers as well. Imran, stay on with us. Let me now go across to my colleague Arpita as well, who is joining us live from Thiruvananthapuram. Arpita, how is the situation like where you are right now?
Well, Hina, similar situation here because around 6 to 7 flights have been cancelled. Indigo flights are cancelled or delayed, and passengers are stuck here. There are so many passengers who are waiting for help from Indigo staffs, but all of them are complaining that there is no response from the staff. There's no help from them, no refreshments are provided or accommodation is being provided. In fact, I'm being joined by few Ayyappa devotees here who had come here to Trivandrum for Sabrimala Darshan, and they had to travel back to Hyderabad, but they're stuck here. We'll get a reaction from them. So what time was your flight? Is it delayed or cancelled?
Flight was around 5 p.m. but we came around 11 o'clock and we just tried to go out there, and simply they are telling that flight got cancelled. That's it.
Has the Indigo given you an alternate flight, or are they helping you in any way?
Before, first of all, they didn't give pure information as well. Whenever we came to boarding here, they're simply saying flight is cancelled and we will refund your amount. They're not going to plan accommodation or any alternatives as well. They're simply saying you can plan other airlines, but while we are choosing other airlines, tomorrow we have an Air India flight which is 10 hours delay, layover. That flight cost also around costing 50,000. Now they will simply refunding our amount, which is cost around 10,000, but we need to pay alternately 40,000. There is not concern about it. They're simply saying you can drop a mail to Indigo. We'll look into that.
Did they give you any refreshments or any other facility?
No water bottle, no refreshments, no nothing. They are simply denying and telling that manager will come and will speak. That's it. No manager since from 5 hours. No manager since from 5 hours, and simply their value of speaking also is not so good. Vulgarly they are telling that no, this is not the way, just get out from here. That's it. This is not the response we should get from the Indigo, because they are valuable for the pilgrims and they are not seeing the pilgrims also here. The devotees also, they are not giving any respect there.
Well, Hina, not just Hyderabad flight from Trivandrum to Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, all these flights are cancelled from Trivandrum. So this is just one aspect. There are other passengers also. When I spoke to them, they were facing similar situation. There were so many people who had come here for official trip. They had to cancel their meetings because their flights got cancelled. And these devotees are also stranded here since last 5 to 6 hours.
Absolutely.
All of them are complaining that Indigo staffs are not cooperating, they're not helping at
Well,
all.
Arpita, it's the same story, I think, at every airport across India, and the sense that we got after listening to the passengers that you and Imran in fact were speaking with is that better communication from the airline side is required to the passengers. So information of course needs to be passed on to the ground staff at airports who can convey to the passengers as to what should be done if their flight has been cancelled, and proper communication to them should be given before they even leave their house, whether their flight is taking off or not. So this is something that the airline should do at this point in time. Meanwhile, viewers, the aviation watchdog, the aviation regulator DGCA has approved a one-time temporary exemption for Indigo. The waiver in fact applies to night duty limits and certain FDTL restrictions on the airline's A320 fleet, and these are going to remain in force till 10th of February 2026. The idea is to somehow ease the situation, and clearly these are knee-jerk reactions that we are seeing coming in from the government side to ease the situation so that passengers are not inconvenienced. Let's also take you through the kind of cancellations that we have seen over the last 4 days. Day 1, when the entire crisis started, Indigo's 140 odd flights were cancelled across India. Day 2, 3rd of December, 130 odd flights were cancelled. Day 3, we saw 300 plus flights getting cancelled. And today, day 4, 4th of December, of course, we have 523 plus flights getting cancelled, and this number is only going to go up because remember, for Delhi airport itself, the cancellation notice came in a couple of hours ago. Till tonight, till midnight tonight, no flights of Indigo are taking off from the national capital. So this number clearly is going to go up. The airline, which used to be a favorite of air travelers because of its on-time performance, today is facing severe backlash from passengers at the airports and also on social media. Take a look at what some of the other passengers had to say.
Yeah, just saying that your flight is getting delayed by further 2 hours. Okay. But they are not saying anything firm. And this 2 hours is coming from last night. So still, like my flight, right now it was 11:20, they scheduled it. Now it's showing 1:30 p.m. The staff, they are not cooperating well. They are not giving a very clear answer. They're just saying that whatever information we have, we are providing to you. And those staff are also not very much experienced. Main guys, they are hidden somewhere. They are at home. They are not picking up the phone. So many problems. As per the guideline, they have to provide hotel stay and all, but they are not giving anything.
मेरी सिस्टर का आरपीएफ का एग्जाम था, मैंने 3 तारीख की फ्लाइट कर रखी थी, 3 को कैंसिल कर दिया, फिर 4 को रीशेड्यूल कर दिया, फिर 4 को भी कैंसिल कर दिया, फिर आज सुबह कर दिया, वो भी कैंसिल कर दिया। उसका गवर्नमेंट जॉब का फिजिकल था, मैंने स्पाइस जेट की दोबारा करा के 11 बजे वो भी लेट कर दिया, अब 2 बजे निकली है वो।
जो आपने स्पाइस जेट की फ्लाइट कराई है, नॉर्मल प्राइस आ रहे थे उनके की
20,000
नॉर्मल डेज से ज्यादा प्राइस अब दूसरी एयरलाइन
4 and 5 टाइम
जी
4 से 5 गुना ज्यादा दे रहे।
मेरे जीजा जी कल एक्सपायर हो गए, तो मेरे को 6 बजे निकलने का था, तो यहाँ पे मैं आया तो बोलते कोई टिकट अवेलेबल नहीं है। बाद में बोलते इंडिगो का मिल रहा है, वो 9 बजे का था, 9 बजे का 11:10 हो गया। उसके बाद कंटिन्यू रात को खड़ा हुआ, बोलता है 3 बजे मिला, तो एक फ्लाइट में 3 बजे में कुछ 10 टिकट हुए, वैकेंसी में 30 टिकट थी, हम लोगों को 10 आदमी को अंदर जाने नहीं दिया और बोलते हैं नहीं मिलेगा, अलाउड नहीं है। और हम लोग फिर बाहर आ गए। फिर आज सुबह 4 घंटा फिर मेरा टिकट अनाउंस किया, बोलते 5:30 को आएगा, फिर 5:30 बोला, आज कम से कम 4 घंटे तक रुके। बाद में हमने बोल दिया हमको टिकट रिफंड दे दो, हम जा रहे बाय रोड जा रहे।
हमारे को कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है। अभी 2:15 का हमारा फ्लाइट था, कैंसिल बोल दिए। कोई इधर इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाले नहीं है, कोई बोलने वाले नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है। ऐसा रहे तो कंपनी बंद कर लेना, दूसरों को तकलीफ नहीं देना स्वामी। बहुत मुश्किल हो जा रहा, कितने जने खड़े हुए देखो, 200-300 मेंबर्स को तकलीफ हो गया। कोई रिस्पांस देने वाले नहीं है, इधर कोई रिस्पांस देने वाले नहीं है। हमारा तो यात्रा के लिए सब हम रेडी करके लगा दे, हमारा पूरा पैसा वेस्ट, टाइम वेस्ट, सब वेस्ट हो जा रहा स्वामी। हमारा तो बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो जा रहा। फिर हम गाड़ी से पकड़ के गए तो 2 दिन टाइम लगेगा हमारे को। इतना तो बहुत ट्रबल दे रहे कंपनी वाले स्वामी।
Well, massive passengers, in huge number. They are queuing up here at the Indigo, and right now we also, we are also joined by one of the passengers here. He's waiting. Yesterday also his flight got delayed, and again his flight got delayed today even, and he's waiting for many many hours at the airport, and we can also clearly see the queues here. We'll also just hear to the plight of this passenger, not just this passenger, several passengers complaining the same things. So since what time you're waiting here, and I know what are the crew saying here, and what have you been informed by the customer care or at least by the ground crew?
There is no any information from Indigo side. I am waiting from last 4 hours.
Okay.
I am very frustrating and
आपका फ्लाइट कब था एक्चुअली?
मेरा फ्लाइट आज का है 2 बजे का था, तो मैं आ गया था 11 बजे.
ओके.
11 बजे से आके मैं यहाँ पे वेट कर रहा हूँ, कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं. अभी पता चला कि मेरी फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई.
And when it comes to the Ayyappa devotees, since last 2 days we are seeing that several Ayyappa devotees, they are staging protests inside the airport premises, and they can't even get back to their residences. Once they start from their home, they'll have to go to Ayyappa temple in Kerala, and they'll have to visit there. Then they'll have to come back to their residences.
कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. अभी 2:15 का हमारा फ्लाइट था, कैंसिल बोल के बोल दिए. कोई इधर इंफॉर्मेशन देने वाले नहीं है, कोई बोलने वाले नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. ऐसा रहे तो कंपनी बंद कर लेना, दूसरों को तकलीफ नहीं देना स्वामी. बहुत मुश्किल हो जा रहा. कितने जने खड़े हुए देखो. हमारा तो यात्रा के लिए सब हम रेडी करके लगा दे. हमारा पूरा पैसा वेस्ट, टाइम वेस्ट, सब वेस्ट हो जा रहा स्वामी. हमारा तो बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो जा रहा. फिर हम गाड़ी से पकड़ के गए तो 2 दिन टाइम लगेगा हमारे को. इतना तो बहुत ट्रबल दे रहे कंपनी वाले स्वामी.
Shifting focus now, we have some big update coming